about this room box in the comments below. And I'll be coming back with more of these. But I wanted to give her this because, you know, it was her birthday yesterday. And she's a very special girl. Look at the little gifts right there. Make-believe gifts. Okay, now I have some paintings here. I'm not sure where I'm going to put them. I think I'm going to put them here. I'm not sure if you can see. I have 3 of them, so let's see. Where did the other one go? Oh. All right, I think I'm going to put them right here. I don't want to cover the pink anymore, so this one's going to go right here. Right there. See it? And I'm going to put another one. I have 3, so maybe... You know what? I'll put 2 of them. I'll just put 2. Okay. Okay. I also made a little notebook there. What else did I make? I had something else. I had, a calendar. This calendar, I'm just going to put it right there. She could move it around. See? Okay, what else? Then I had some little things to add here. Just for decoration. I think she'll like that. And I think this, I'm probably gonna, let me see, probably gonna put this here, but I have to figure out a way to put it. And I won't do it right now because it takes time. So, all right, I think that's it for now. Oh, I forgot one more thing, very important, a lamp. Okay, so this is a wine glass, plastic wine glass, but I'm putting it upside down to use it as a table. And then I'm going to place the lamp there. And the lamp, as you can see, is a little drum. I bought those at the dollar store. They come like a few different colors, yellow, green, red. So I used that one with a little magnet to connect it to the bottom, to the base. And the base was part of a handbag that broke, and I just yanked it off, so I used the base for that. So as you know, there's the toothpaste box right there as the dresser, the mirror from my Clinique powder, the little closet from the Dial soap box, and the bottom, the base of that table is the deodorant cap. So I think this is it. And the rug, the carpet is placemat, a placemat. How neat is that? The same for the drapes. I used the placemat. And oh, one more thing. Wait. See the box there? I did think of the top. So I'm putting some decorative paper right there. And I made a little hole there so that the light can stay. I noticed I'm missing one more thing, and that is the cake. Look at the cake right there. Handmade cake. So this is a handmade, beautiful room for a birthday girl. Happy birthday, Zuri. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.